So guys, in this part we are going to work on our player controller script. So let's open it. Now in the top we need two namespaces because it's an we need a network. So here using photon.pon. So the next one will be real time. So using photon dot real time. Now instead of mono behavior, we are going to change it to mono behavior pon. So now let's write the variable that we need for our player. So here we need the attack point. So public um, transform. I'm going to call it attack point. Next one will be we need the ID for our player. So here we can write public int ID, and because I don't want to see it in the inspector, we can just here write hide inspector. So then we are going to hide it. And what else we need? We need public animator player anim. Now also we need some information how fast should our player move. So move speed, we want that also our player going to collect gold. So public int gold. We need HP for our player, so health for our player. Public int max HP and current HP. So let's write first current HP and public int max HP. We also want a bool value if our player is dead or not. If it's dead, then we want to remove it and move it player to the instantiate pointer. Public bool dead. Then also we want damage for our player, so I'm going to write it in the top. Public int damage and public float. We need a range, attack range, and also public float attack delay, how fast it should you should do it damage you're attacking. And public float last attack time. So now also we need a rigid body, so I'm going to put it there. Public rigid body 2D. I'm going to call it rig. Then public, we need the access to our player. So player in our network. So here player and the photon player. And we need also to do a flash damage. That means when our player is going to get damage, we want to make their sprite to red and then again back to white. So here we need to get access to the sprite renderer. So public sprite renderer, call it SR. So and also we need to put the heads in top of the UI heads in top of our player and also name. So here still we didn't make that script, so but here we can write for now public header info and call it also header info. So but because I didn't create that script, here we have error, so I'm going to just make it so comment. Later we can remove that comment when we are created that script. And the last things that we need to do is to make this script static. So here public static player controller me. So I think that's all we need, all the variable that we need. So now let's save the script and going back to our game. After it's compiled, we are going to assign that variables. So here we need the attack point. So now here I'm going to right click and create an empty object. I'm going to call it attack point and put that attack point there. And I can also adjust this attack point near the our player, in the front of the player. So next one will be damage. I'm going to put the damage of 1, attack range around 2, attack delay 0.5 or 1, last attack time. We don't need actually to get access to this one. Player anim. When we are going to give the animation to that, we need to fill that part, or we can just make the animator. For doing that, let's here I'm going to put the animator. Now I can attach this animator to there. Rigid body. I'm going to use this rigid body. So SR sprite. We can use the sprite renderer to put it there. Move a speed of 5. Gold is to be 0 and the health will be 5. Max health is 5 as well. And is dead or not? Okay. So now guys, in the next video we are going to work on the functions for our player controller. See you in the next video.